All right, today I have an unboxing for you. I have this package from puppetthings.com. Make sure to check out them for all of your puppetry supplies. And I ordered a bunch of fun goodies, a bunch of fabric, and I also threw in a couple extra little fun things just to kind of, I don't even have a plan for these things for a specific project, but I thought it would be fun just to kind of play with some different materials. So without any further ado, let me open it up. Ooh, I wonder what it's gonna be. Got some goodies. Ooh, that's what I like to see right on top first, some fabric. All right, look at this. This is Scraggle Fleece. This is a really awesome material. I already have some other Scraggle Fleece, but I haven't used it yet, so I'm really excited. So I bought kind of a little bit of pretty much every color that they had, almost every color that they had. So I've got this yellow Scraggle Fleece, which is really cool. Look at that texture. You like that? It's gonna look great on a puppet. So I've got some yellow here. All right, I have this kind of a mossy green. That'll look really nice too. I have some nice complementary fleece too to go along with these. Okay, oh, we have some loop fabric here. A lot of people are starting to use this for puppet building now too. Loop fabric, nice stuff. I don't think Puppet Things sells this yet, but it's nice stuff. Okay, we have some white. This is going to come in real handy. I think I'm going to use some of this with the Littlest Snow Monster. I'm going to be rebuilding those puppets soon because I want to make like a made-for-TV movie version. That'll be a lot of fun. All right, now we have another green. This is a little bit more of a brilliant green. Look at that. Doesn't it look nice? No idea what I'm going to do with this one. I think he threw in some other swatches of stuff too. Oh, for limited time, Puppet Things comes with a free set of these practice puppets. Now, I did a cool video on this channel about how to make your own practice puppets, but these ones are really nice too. And you can't beat the price. They're free with any order, I believe with any order. So make sure to check that out. Yeah, it's a nice little 3D printed mechanisms here that hold these ping pong balls really steady. And then this strap that holds it on your hand. Sweet. Oh, more Scraggle Fleece here. We've got some kind of a red. It's not a bright red, but it'll be a really good, because a lot of times when you're using contrasting fabrics, like if I use this and a fur with my puppet, it's nice to have it not exactly the same color anyway, so it gives a little bit more variety. You'll see that a lot of character designs will have a couple different tones of green in them. Let's keep looking in the box. Oh, I love this color. This is brilliant. This is like a pink, but it's not too bright either. It's a really earthy pink. Really nice. It looks very whimsical. Okay, and there's one more here, this lilac here. That'll be nice too. Look at that. You like that? Whew, I got Scraggle Fleece for days. I have some other swatches here of some other fabrics. This is really cool. This is kind of a, I'm not sure what they call this. Did he label it? No, this is just a swatch to kind of test out some other fabrics. I'll show you guys too. That's cool. It looks like Scraggle Fleece. Oh, actually, is this Scraggle Fleece? No, I don't think so. It's very similar. I think this one's technically a fur. This is a really cool fur. I like that grain too. This is a very short pile fur that's got this really cool nappy texture on it. Really nice. This looks like a swatch of some of that. Oh, this is different. Yeah, this is different than that. I'll have to ask Hugh what this is. Yeah, that's what I like about Puppet Things, though. They have all kinds of really cool, awesome, unusual fabrics that are great for puppet building. Now, this is really cool. Look at this. This fur is extremely lightweight. I've never held a fur so light in my life, I don't think. It looks like a towel almost, but it's also super soft. I wonder if this is what they use for a lot of like infant stuffed animal toys, things like that. It's really nice. And this is, oh my gosh, this is really weird. It kind of reminds me of the Scraggle Fleece, but it has this loose thread fibers hanging off of it. Got these really cool loose string fibers hanging off of it. Anyway, that's it for the fabric, but I've got one more little package inside here that I want to show you guys. And it's inside this little envelope. Look how cool this is. It's one of his 3D printed things. I've got, oh, yep. I bought a set of these teeth here. A lot of times I make my own teeth. I have a whole video on making teeth. You can click right there if you want to see it. But this is a set of 3D printed teeth. And one thing that's nice about it is they come in a couple different size fangs. So you can use them for multiple puppets, or you can put all the teeth into one mouth. And you just snap them off. Snap them off, probably sand the back of it a little bit. And then you've got a really nice set of teeth here. It's kind of nice how they're all on this plate too. Makes it nice and easy. So nice. You can't even see any print lines or anything. So that's one cool thing. But I also bought, dun 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 dun! Look at that. This is a unicorn horn. Now, I didn't have plans to make a unicorn puppet, but I just saw this and I just thought it was too cool to pass up and not take a look at it. But same thing. It's got the build plate there, so you just rip that off, probably sand the bottom. It's really lightweight, so it's not going to, much lighter than casting it would be. But you got a nice little unicorn horn there. Pretty cool, huh? So I'm really excited about all these materials. One thing that's kind of interesting about this is I didn't necessarily have a plan for all this fabric. I just kind of wanted to add it to my stock. If you follow my Instagram, you may have seen an update that a couple of weeks ago I bought like 64 yards of different colors of fur. And that's something I like to do every year or two just to kind of replenish my stock. Because anytime I'm making stuff, I don't want to have to wait for a shipment to come in. If I'm inspired to make a puppet, I don't want to go online, make an order, and have to wait anywhere from 2 days to a week to get my supplies to start building. I want to kind of just jump in and start making things. And that's something that's really handy about having a stock of these kinds of supplies. But also, anytime I make an order, sometimes I like to just throw in some extra little fun things too to make it a little interesting and have something on the shelf to kind of inspire a character. Again, that's why I ordered these teeth and this little unicorn horn, though of course it could be used for anything, really. I could make a unicorn out of this. I could make a narwhal out of it. I could even, here, let me grab my, this is, if you remember a while ago, I did a baby shark video on how to make a shark puppet, and this has a free pattern to it, but you could easily just not do these teeth, or better yet, even, buy teeth like this and put it in, but you could easily make this like a narwhal or something just by adding the horn on. Just like that. Isn't that cute? But also, unicorn everything is kind of in fashion now for kids. I know because I teach at an elementary school. You could kind of put a unicorn horn on any puppet and it just becomes like a magical creature. Maybe you have a raccoon puppet, make it into a raccoonicorn. Or really anything else. I'm pretty sure that Hugh designs and 3D models almost all these 3D printed products on his website. And make sure to check out that website too, puppetthings.com. It's a really fun one to explore because there's always all kinds of different updates with different odd objects that you can get 3D printed. That's one thing that I love about Puppet Things so much, is that he's very outside of the box thinking. He's constantly putting up all kinds of different experimental fabrics and different types of products like this to expand his line. And these are the kind of creative things that can inspire a complete character. Anyway, if you order some cool stuff too and you want to check it out, make sure to tag me on Instagram at Adam Krutinger. I'd love to see the little things that you get in your orders, and even more so, how you end up using it. Anyway, that's it for now, and I'll see you next time.